Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to hide your Tinder account without deleting it. This is perfect if you want to take a break from the app while keeping all your matches and conversations intact. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to look at the bottom of your screen where you'll see several navigation options. Go ahead and tap on Profile. This will take you to your personal profile page where you can view and manage your account settings and information. Once you're on your profile page, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice a gear icon there, which represents your settings menu. Tap on this gear icon to access all the configuration options for your Tinder account. This is where you can control various aspects of how your profile appears and functions on the platform. Now, within the settings menu, you'll need to scroll through the available options until you find one labeled Enable Discovery. This is the key feature that controls whether your profile is visible to other users on Tinder. When Discovery is enabled, your profile appears in the card stack for potential matches to see. When it's disabled, your profile becomes invisible to everyone, but your account and all your data remain completely safe and intact. Once you've located the Enable Discovery option, you'll see a toggle button right beside it. Go ahead and tap on this toggle button. This action will prompt a confirmation screen to appear, ensuring you really want to make this change to your account visibility. After tapping the toggle, a confirmation prompt will pop up on your screen. Here you'll need to click Disable Discovery to confirm your choice. This finalizes the process and immediately removes your profile from the discovery queue. From this point forward, other users won't be able to see your profile in their card stack, and you won't appear in anyone's potential matches. However, your existing matches and conversations remain accessible, so you can still chat with people you've already connected with. And that's it. You've successfully hidden your Tinder account without deleting anything, giving you the perfect break while keeping everything ready for when you want to return. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.